Hi everybody. Julian told me he wanted to learn about outer space and I saw this really fun flying saucer to make. Can you tell what I made it out of? You're right, I made it out of a paper plate. I took the paper plate and I very carefully folded it in half. I made sure that the edges around the front and the back matched. And then I opened it back up. And this part's kind of tricky, but I had to cut a hole right along where I folded it. I wanted a hole there because I wanted to be able to fit a piece of paper that's not too small, not too big, right through the center of that hole that I cut. See how it came right through? Then I taped that down and I folded this in half, and this part that's sticking out, I drew an alien. I drew a circle for the head, I drew a circle for the body. I added 2 antennae, 2 arms, and 2 legs. And then I cut out 2 little white eyes and added them. I decorated my flying saucer with polka dots, but you could decorate yours with just about anything. Be sure to staple it closed when you're done decorating. And then you can cut 2 triangles from your paper and add them on the bottom. That helps your flying saucer land. When you're finished, yours could look like mine, or maybe you could decorate it in another way. Remember, aliens are not real, flying saucers are not real either, but we like to pretend that they fly in space. I even saw where you could take a glow stick, if you have one, and stick it in the inside, and the light of it will shine out the edges. It'd be fun to play with in the dark. I hope you enjoyed that. And thanks for the suggestion, Julian. It was fun doing something about outer space. Be sure to look for my story about space too.